Hey guys, welcome to Filson Filter channel. If you're working with a filter system like duplex filter, simplex filter, self-leaning filter, you already know how critical it is to monitor differential pressure. But here's a question we often get from clients. Should I use a differential pressure gauge or a clogging indicator? Today, let's break down the differences. Part 1. What does a differential pressure gauge do? Let's start with the differential pressure gauge. It gives you a real-time reading of the pressure difference between the inlet and outlet. So instead of just knowing that your filter is clogged, you actually see the number 0.2 bars, 0.6 bars, 1 bar. If the index slowly rises, you know the filter element is gradually getting dirty. This is ideal for plants where operators do routine inspections and record data. It gives you more visibility and more control. But it cannot enable remote alarms unless connected to a PLC and add alarm configuration. Part 2. What does a clogging indicator do? Now, let's talk about clogging indicators. Unlike a gauge, it does not show you a number. Instead, it's preset to trigger at a specific differential pressure, say 3.5 bars. When that point is reached, it activates. It might pop up a red flag, or it might send an electrical signal to your PLC. So instead of monitoring continuously, you simply get notified when it's time to act. This is perfect for automated systems or unmanned installations. Part 3. Which one should you choose? So which one should you choose? It depends on your specific application needs. A gauge is mainly a visual instrument. An indicator is more of a control component. If your system requires remote alarms, interlock shutdown, or automatic switching logic for multiple chamber filters, then a clogging indicator is usually the better choice. And if you want detailed pressure monitoring, trend analysis, and adjustable alarm value, a differential pressure gauge makes more sense. And in some cases, clients even use both, a gauge for visual reference and an indicator for automatic alarm. Whenever you need selection guide or other technical support for your filter systems, feel free to contact Filson. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.